Hello students, myself Neeraj Misra, the computer teacher of your school, came back again with the new chapter, the chapter 2, unit 3, and for class 9, the title of the chapter is Components of Computer System, and today I am going to explain the introduction of computer system. Students, as we know, how the computers are being used in the different fields, how it became an integral part of lives. The day passed away when the computer was being used for the limited purposes. But nowadays, the computer became an important household items. There's no any example of the field where computers not being used, whether it is the field of education, field of science and technology, field of research, medicine, engineering, automobiles, tour and tourism, etc. are the general fields where the computers are being used for the different purposes. As we know, the computer is generally called as computer system. Why? Why the computer is called computer system? The answer is the computer is called a system because it is a group of integrated parts having a common purpose to achieve an object. These integrated parts is generally used for doing a work. So it is called system. In general, the computer is described as an electronic device which takes raw data as an input from user, store the input in the memory of the computer, process and gives the meaningful information as output back to the user. In input, data and instructions are given to the computer, but in processing, data are described according to the set of instructions, and processed data are given out as a result, which is called output. Computer system is really a collection of different hardware and software components, where the hardware refers the physical components of computer system, but the software refers the set of programs that control the activities of the hardware components. Students, as you know, the word computer can be expanded as C for common, O for oriented, M for machine, P for particularly, U for used for, T for technological, E for engineering, and R for research. Means it is a common oriented machine particularly used for technological, engineering and research. The word computer has been derived from the word compute, which means calculate. And so what in starting it was used for complex calculation works, but nowadays the computer is compatible to do various tasks using the various software applications. So these all are the important about which important component of the computer system about which I have already explained. So next time I will appear with the new topic. So till have a thank you and nice day.